Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how to disable or turn off the comments in your YouTube video. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to turn off the comments on your YouTube video, it's actually pretty easy. So for the first step, I want you to tap on your channel icon on the bottom right corner. And after that, go to your videos. And here in your videos, you will be able to see all the videos you've uploaded, so just find the video that you want to disable the comments. Let's say for example, that this is the video for which you want to disable the comments. So to do that, just tap the three dots beside the video. And then tap Edit. After that, you will then be able to see the comments option at the bottom. Just go and tap it. And then you can now disable the comments by selecting the Turn Off option. And once you've selected the Off option, you can now go back. And then tap Save to completely save your changes. And then after that, it's done. Congratulations, the comments on your video will now be disabled. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.